cocoon. Look at me in bloom, stepping in the room. Ooh, watching you break through, breaking all the rules. It's what I do. It's what I do. Hey, 'cause I'm a butterfly. Spread my wings and fly. See me touch the sky. It's the butterfly effect. 'Cause I'm a butterfly. Spread my wings and fly. See me touch the sky. It's the butterfly effect. Da, 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 da.
Hi everyone! For today's adventure, we're taking you with us to the beautiful town of Calatagan, Batangas. From stunning coastal views and relaxing beach vibes to unforgettable moments along the way, we're excited to explore this destination and share the experience with you. So, let's wander!
Kanino tawag yan? Tawag yan. Ha? Ay, naligo pala kasi ito.
Tama po ako. Tama po ako.
Pakita ka rin. Kami na makakatawag. Babalang kita ba? Namalimutan ko. Baka namin na nakasabi. Uy, salamat kuya sa dekapal. Umaabot. Ilang taon na yung sabi. Dito na ako may dekapal. Sorry. Kaya ba namin ganito? Problema namin ganito. Mas maraming nasa mga nasa lupa. 9 day? Magkano yung save? Nag-test mo na rin. 5,000 ako eh. Hindi yan Shopee. Alam mo kasi nabibili. Diba ilan ba yung card ko eh? Punta tayo ng Shopee tayo. Kaya sa ano. Kailangan may credit card sa amin kuya eh. Bastos na nakasas. Magbabayad naman eh, no? Kinain mo ba? Oh?
Ito ka naman ng pwede, no?
We packed our hearts inside the backseat of life, chasing skies that turn from gold to night. Dust on our shoes, stars in our eyes, finding little heavens where the silence lies. The world keeps running loud and fast, but with you every moment lasts.
Yes, Jamaica. Nandito ako sa turf mo.
Your order. Wow, ang dami naman nun.
Magkano yan, Jam?
Yung ano lang ba yung... Dito para kita yung kapugian niya. Okay.
Ano? Magkano yan?
Pakwanan tsaka isda. May bubuta.
Hindi, hawakan mo na ng solo.
Nag-isip mo pa. Nakalimutan ko na.
Yan sa carton mo. Kasi Miss Velum na lang. Wala rin ulo.
Ani? Ayusin ko lang.
ka dyan. Hindi lang nung 50 kanina.
Meron na lang tayong gabi.
11. Ang 7-Eleven ng buhay mo.
Kaya, walo-walo na talaga yan.
Ano siya? 9-9 siya ngayon. Kuya, may esnek.
Hindi lang din naman.
Kuya, may esnek.
Tagoy mo. No.
Dapat ma-practice mag-swimming si Nari. Dali, sabi ni Nari.
Tuyo na ako eh. Sabi ni Papi na nasa ako.
Kaya katulad doon ng isla, galing ko na.
Lang, snorkeling.
Mga bumalala. Pwede mo pakain. Doon mo sila dalhin. Napag...
Baka mapasukan ng tubig yung tenga. Ang ginagawa mo dyan? Namimiss mo ba mga dating gawi?
Chasing dreams together under starlit skies. We found our strength through every storm that tried. Laughter echoes softly by the river's flow. Hand in hand, when to learn the wild winds blow. We can do anything, be who we are, with hearts unafraid. We're reaching far, standing tall like we're on top of the world. Mountains high, our spirits on fire. Stars above and hope as our guide. Wherever we go, whatever we find, the world feels right when you're by my side. We can do anything, be who we are, with hearts unafraid. We're reaching for, standing tall like we're on top of the world. Mountains high, our spirits on
Our experience at this campsite was definitely memorable. Since we were invited, we weren't able to get the complete rates for camping, but we learned that a floating cottage cost 5,000 pesos for up to 10 people. The package allows you to visit 4 destinations and you can also cook at the cottage. Just take note that hindi po pwede ang mga butane stoves and gas canister. So, ang po pwede mo lang gamitin is uling.
As for the campsite itself, one thing to consider is that quiet time isn't strictly enforced, not only here but also in some of the neighboring campsites. While most campers turn off their sound system, around 10 p.m. to 11 p.m., conversations and loud group gatherings continued well into the night. If you're a light sleeper, bring earplugs is highly recommended.
The comfort room was decent and water pressure was good. The only downside is that you'll need to walk around 30 to 50 steps from the campsite to get there. Our biggest concern happened on our last day. So yung mga staff doon or mga, ewan ko kung resort, staff nung resort namin or ibang resort, is nagsusunog sila ng basura and yung smoke nun is dumating hanggang camping area namin kasi halos nasa labas lang talaga siya. And hindi lang yung campsite namin, yung parang may bin area na yun. Meron lahat ng harapan ng campsite na meron doon along the beach na yun.
Aside from being unpleasant, it can also be hazardous. We all woke up coughing because of the smoke, which unfortunately affected our overall experience. So may kasama kasi kaming senior and then may marami kaming kids na kasama. So, ayun, nalalanghap namin yung buong usok all over the night. Yun lang talaga pangit.
Overall, we had a lot of fun, made great memories, and enjoyed the destination. However, the trash burning incident was something that significantly impacted our stay and is hopefully something that can be improved in the future. Rating-wise, it was fun and memorable trip. The trash burning was definitely the biggest downside of our experience.
So, thank you guys for watching and see you on our next vlog. Till our next wonder. Bye!